Here at JB Nelson, the safety of our students is always our first priority. When you're dropping off your children at school, please remember to pull all the way forward. This allows for the maximum amount of people to drop off at once. Drivers should always stay in the car and in the driver's seat and not exit their vehicle into oncoming traffic. Children should always exit on the sidewalk or passenger side of the vehicle so that they are not walking into oncoming traffic. Please do not store things in the back of your car that the children will need at school. If you need to store things in the back of your car or you need your children to get out on the driver's side of your car, you have two additional options. You can pull into our diagonal parking spots that are located right in front of the school. All families can use the diagonal parking spots. There are two that are reserved for handicapped persons only. Please respect that need. And then we will cross your students using the crosswalk to get them safely to school. Or you can continue to pull ahead in the non-diamond lane, the center lane, and park in the side parking lot and walk them using the sidewalk to the closest door. Again, we always want our students to be safe. So some things to remember that are not safe during arrival are getting out of your car to hug your children goodbye, getting out of your car and going to the back of your car to get backpacks or supplies out of your car, allowing children to get out on the driver's side of the car, leaving spaces between cars instead of pulling all the way up isn't efficient, and that means we can't get as many children dropped off and on time to school. Please do not get out of your car. Do not get out of your car to let your child out or to get things out of the back of your car. Please always drop your children off in the diamond lane, the lane that is closest to the sidewalk. If we drop children off in the middle lane, then they will be in the middle of oncoming traffic and cars trying to exit the diamond lane, and that is not safe for them. Thank you so much for watching this video and for helping us keep all of our students safe at JB Nelson during arrival.